What's up guys? Welcome back to Auto Vault Speed Shop. Today we're giving you a short feature of our shop's Toyota Hilux. As you can see, it has a couple of mods already. The most noticeable are the AFN front and rear bumper. It is also body color. A 2-inch lift is achieved courtesy of Tough Dog suspension, while a D1 spec quick brake kit is seen here peeking through the SCS wheels wrapped in Cooper STT Pro tires. It also got an HKS downpipe and a TRD exhaust for performance. We also put a TGT winch, KC highlight fog lamps, GME antenna, a backflip tonneau cover, hard race upper control arms, a TJM snorkel, and 3 off-road under vehicle protection plates. Incar Entertainment has been taken care of by JC Car Audio sound system. And the whole vehicle is of course protected with Modesta titanium package. This ensures unmatched protection whether you're on or off-road. And thank you for watching, and please make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell too.